transforming child's bedroom into an exciting, imaginating space achieved with creative selection core themed arts. Core theme beds were awesome ideas for kids' core beds to infuse fun and advance into their room. A classic choice, the race car bed is designed to smack, sleek, and sporty race car. These beds often come in vibrant colors, sleek designs, and allow to the background the speed and agility of race car. Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel 90 Addiction. So if you like these ideas, like the video and click the subscribers button for latest more interested videos. And this video share to your friends. Mimicking the adventurous spirits of Jeep, this pet's designs can incorporate elements like headlights, a rugged exterior, even a fox spare tire at the back, stimulating scenes and exploring and outdoor fun. Imagine a bed that can transform from a regular looking bed into a car shaped one. A convertible bed design offers versatility, doubling up as a car or regular bed, allowing for various play options. Perfect for aspiring fire figures, while truck bed incorporates vibrant colors and ionic features of a fire engine such as ladders, cranes, front grille that look of fire truck. For a touch of nostalgic vintage car bed, replica to charm of classic cars like 50s Cadillac or retro VW Bentley, featuring carved line chrome details and timeless appeal. Ideal for little ones who dream of being police officers, police car beds can include sirens, faux police lights, bar and glass embrace official police vehicles markings. A bed designed as a princess carriage can light a young children who adore fairy tales with regal details, curved shapes, which Michelle touches. It can transform bedtime into magical journey. Engage in a fun day project by creating a car-shaped bed from cardboard. Customize it with your child, allowing them to decorate it with their favorite color and designs. Consider a customized square bed allows you to pick specific colors and add decals. Even personalize it to your child's name, making it unique and special addition to your room. When selecting a car bed, consider safely, quietly, and child's performance. Look for sturdy materials, non-toxic paint. Ensure the bed complements with a safety standard. Additionally, accessories like themed beginning and wall decals, matching furniture can complement and core bed. So this is called today's video. Today's video you can see child's core beds ideas. So if you like these ideas, like the video and click the subscribers button for latest more interested videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.